guys, welcome back. So the three of us are reunited again. So since we tackled the remake of Texas Chainsaw Massacre, we decided what better way than we gotta watch the original. And since someone told us that the sequel to the original is batshit crazy, so we are dying to get to that, but obviously we have to watch the first one first. So
I'm scared.
I am just wondering how gory it's going to be compared to the first or to the remake.
I hate gory.
Never seen it.
So, yeah, we heard some interesting things about this one for sure. And I do have to give a shout out to Emma and Elizabeth. They did my hair and makeup. So, even though I think I look like I'm auditioning for Toddlers and Tiaras, but Did you guys say anything?
No, just that we are super excited to see how this one goes down. So I hope that you have as much fun watching it as you did watching the first one. And I hope you have as much fun watching it as well.
And if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel and you can watch us tackle all different kinds of horror movies. Like I said, we did the remake, and then we did The Conjuring, and then we did a really bad one, Jack Frost, which if you have not seen that, you just gotta watch that to believe it. So without further ado, this is the original Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Remains of a badly decomposed body fired to a large monument.
Oh man, we are off to a great start. Oh, that's a child? I didn't even realize that.
What is this, sun flares? What are we seeing right now?
This is way more narration than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, it's kind of long. God, is it?
I'm afraid. The first part was pretty gory. Oh, this guy's going first. He just will have a Target sign on his back. Extra tasty crispy sewn into his shirt.
Wait, why are you doing it in a can if you're outside?
Hey, you're already outside.
Why do you need it?
That's gross.
Is it not that long?
Yeah. I don't know how that knocked him out.
Oh my god, it literally knocked him over and out of the wheelchair all the way down the hill. This is the best scene ever. It's just so dramatic.
But it wasn't even anywhere near him.
That's the old slaughterhouse. Hey, you see those buildings there? That's where they kill them. They bash them in the head with a big sledgehammer.
Oh.
Oh, that poor cow.
They didn't show it.
Oh, well, I guess that's why they brought in the cattle thing in the remake.
The poor heifers.
Oh, no.
Yes.
God.
Never.
They take the head and they boil it, except for the tongue. And they scrape all the flesh away from the bone.
Oh, what the hell? What is around his neck?
I don't know.
And this is when you open the back door and kick him straight out.
Bye, Felicia.
God, that guy's gonna take his knife. Please don't take his knife.
You really put up a fight there, sir. He's gonna kill himself.
Is he gonna like cut out his tongue or something?
Oh.
I don't want to see it, please.
Oh, come on.
That guy's face.
Oh my god, he's crazy. Get him out of your car.
That's what I said. Open the back door. Just kick him straight out.
And he gave it back. What the hell was the point of that?
It's a good night. I'm sure it is, man.
That guy doesn't even look scary. He looks like he's trying to laugh.
I know. You at least think you would have taken it from him.
A horrible actor.
Okay, at this point, they're all so stupid. I think only the killers live.
It's the 70s. They're like, he's probably just on acid. It's okay.
Take me to my house. I lived right off this road.
Oh, he probably works with the family.
That's what I was about to say. He's probably part of the family.
You can pay me now. Huh? $2. It's a good picture. No, man. Franklin, give him back the damn picture.
Oh, he's gonna get pissed.
Oh, what's in there? Drugs? What's he doing?
Cursing the picture. Doing some kind of ritual. Gonna get them all killed.
Gunpowder.
He's gonna blow that bitch up. Right in the car.
Stop the car and kick him out.
Oh, could have kicked him out when he cut his hand.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Stop the car!
god, he's
Drive-
got his blood on the
Why are they
car.
driving so slow?
He was like flying before.
I know. Okay. I don't even know what to make of this. Worst crying acted ever.
There are moments when we cannot believe that what is happening is really true. Pinch yourself and you may find out that it is.
Pinch a piece off your friend and just enjoy dinner.
What?
I got no gas. My tank's empty.
Tank's empty.
Them girls now, they don't want to go messing around.
Oh, he's going back? Dude. I'll just get that F.
Do you think I said something made him mad?
Yeah, you didn't buy the picture.
Look at the blood on the car.
Yeah, the guy cleans the windshield, but he's like, oh no, I'll leave the blood spot.
He marked the van so they knew.
Oh, I didn't even think of that.
You think that guy's just trying to scare us by, blowing up my picture like that?
Taylor Swift like blew up all her ex's pictures. She made a song about it.
Just another picture to burn.
That kind of looks like a penis.
Why is this little sausage hanging out of her mouth?
How old are these people supposed to be?
And how old is this house?
She looks a
supposed
little
to be?
old. To be a college student. I
Like
don't
how
know.
did-
Are you sure you're 17?
I'm 17. Of course.
Zoomed. Ew. Would spiders really make that kind of noise?
Poor
Oh
guy.
my god, he's still sucking his sausage.
Finally spits the sausage out.
Hey, what happened to our wheelchair friend?
Come on, Franklin. It's gonna be a fun trip.
He's taking it well.
My god.
It's good to see he's well adjusted.
If I have any more fun today, I don't think I'm gonna be able to take it.
Oh, I kind of feel bad.
Didn't you say there's a swimming hole around here?
Yeah.
But I can't go swimming with you. Those two are gonna go have sex.
There they go to die.
Who runs like that?
They're just living their best life.
I'm rooting for you too. I think you're gonna make it.
I think you're gonna be
I mean-
disappointed.
The house looks nicer than the last one.
Yeah.
Definitely more inviting.
Even got a swing.
Hello, is anybody home?
Hey, if there's not one of those sheet scenes where they run through the sheets with the chainsaw, I'm gonna be disappointed.
I know. That was like the best scene.
So many clean white sheets for such a disgusting house.
Oh, red flag.
Yeah, right.
Where did it come from? Like,
Right?
Why would he pick it up?
Oh.
Hello? Hey, Pam, come look at this.
Let's go!
go why? There's a house we can just stroll into.
Hello? Is anybody home?
Nobody's
Oh my
responding
gosh.
to you, so no, sir, no.
Oh!
Oh,
No,
It
no,
happens
what the
to- What?
Oh, he's still alive. Ah!
Kirk!
Kirk, quit fooling around.
Okay, I have to say the lack of music leading up to it really was
Well, yeah, I was
good because nobody was expecting it.
yeah, no, I wasn't.
Now you
Might as
gotta
well.
go in.
Might as well. Why not?
Couldn't have went in earlier. Maybe saved your boyfriend. Nope. Oh, well, there's
get
no mistaking what that is.
I don't know. These bones look a little fake. Girl, cool.
I know, she's not even running.
Well, you know, in her defense, I think I would be a little freaked out for about 5 seconds, too.
Well, it's been longer than 5 seconds.
I mean, I'd have this moment of just pure what the fuckery.
Okay, you can have that moment and then go.
Yeah.
Oh, now she can't walk.
Yeah, what? Make sure you make lots and lots of noise,
Oh,
girl.
oh.
She did it! Oh my god!
If you wouldn't have made all that noise, you would have been fine. Is she
No!
the one that goes
Oh no.
No!
Oh, and she's still alive, like they don't cut away.
Is he already wearing the guy's face?
She's making him watch him cut her boyfriend up.
This is messed
Oh
up.
my god, that would be fucked up.
Oh,
This is
she's
messed
still
up.
alive. Oh. That was traumatizing.
You really didn't want me to come, did you?
Oh, Franklin, I'm just tired.
So is that like his sister?
Yeah, I think so.
Kirk!
This poor guy's gonna be next.
Is anybody here?
Just walk in, buddy. Everybody else did.
Yeah, it's a free for all. She's in the. Well, one of them's in the freezer.
Oh no.
It's gotta be her. The other guy was pretty dead. Wait, was that her?
No, that was a different girl.
Oh, damn. Get back in there, bitch.
That was her.
Ew, those are some creepy teeth. Ew! Don't zoom in.
Why is he
Don't zoom in.
smiling like that?
Sally, we ought to go to that gas station and get help.
I'm not leaving here without Jerry.
Fuck the other two. Just Jerry.
Could I see the flashlight for a minute?
What for?
To look.
Sally, look, I know. Look, I'll go with you, but I'm gonna hold
Never mind, I'll just go without it.
Least favorite character, and that's including Leatherface.
Sally, I can't keep up with you. Sally? Sally, wait a minute.
She's being kind of mean.
She's just so annoyed with him at this point. I love how they're not even trying for the other two.
Who are the other ones?
Sally, I hear something. Stop. Stop.
Oh my god! Oh my god, okay! I love the way she's screaming like, ah! Okay, girl. You can push a wheelchair, so you can run a little faster than that.
What just happened?
He's like even taking time to clear
I know.
the forest.
Shame on you. For shame.
And it's like
So
pitch
thinking
black
about that.
out, so she should be able to lose him very quickly.
What is she doing? Run!
Oh no, the bushes!
I might get a splinter.
I know, I would be like cutting the shit out of
The
myself.
empty bushes.
Okay, this is way more funny than scary. Yes, upstairs.
Oh, where's she
God.
at?
Ew.
Oh.
What is that?
Oh.
Okay, regardless, that man is not going to be of any help. Ew. She was afraid to go through some like branches, but like
Wasn't
jumping out of the
expecting
glass
that.
window.
That's what I would have done.
Just lie down somewhere in the dark and be real. Take your pants off if you have
That's
to.
what I was thinking. Take your pants off and
Like,
run.
lay naked.
But don't scream, maybe.
Yeah, stop
like,
screaming.
Right, just go lay naked in the
This is
field.
so frustrating.
Oh, that giant stick did her in.
There ain't no phone here.
Oh my.
Exactly like the remake.
1 degrees, our current temperature is 96 with wind out of the south.
These zooms.
I know, the Zooms are killing me.
She doesn't really look all that traumatized. Oh, well,
The hell is that?
I see.
Only a hand or foot. The remainder of it.
I know. Just waiting for something. Oh.
Nobody's gonna hurt you.
Wow. He overtook you with a broom.
Oh my lord.
Wait. Oh.
Oh my god.
Can't forget that.
Doesn't want to run the electric bill too long.
That actually might have been my favorite scene so far.
Had to lock up and get the lights. Cost electricity is enough to drive a man out of business.
Oh my gosh.
You called it, Emma.
You got nothing to worry about. You just take it easy, yeah?
Take it easy.
You damn fool, you almost got caught over a dude. No.
So he's kind of like the little kid in the
Yeah, I think so. Just an older version.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm falling asleep now. Like, what's gotta happen?
I know, the other one I think was way more exciting.
Yeah, it kind of kept you on your feet.
I mean, it did scare the shit out of me when Leatherface jumped out of the woods. I was not expecting that.
Oh, look, he's in charge. He's beating him.
He's beating Leatherface.
Yeah, that must be his kids because he said, you know, you're never supposed to leave your brother alone.
Oh.
That's why I said that he must be Leatherface's brother.
She's like, oh no, it's you.
He is dressed like a woman.
Oh yeah, he does have an old lady's wig on.
Yeah.
Take that fucking wig off.
Just kick him.
I can't take you seriously with the wig.
Oh my god.
Maybe he's like grandma part-time Leatherface.
I don't know. This one is like more creepy in a way. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Hey, you did good. See the nice girl. You did quick. Get upstairs and get your grandpa.
Wow.
I have no idea what's going on right now.
This is just evolving into a chaotic, horrific
It's a
mess.
little bit of a mess.
Young lady, you just take it easy there now. But we'll fix you some supper in a few minutes.
He's like, we'll fix you some supper.
Oh my goodness.
Fix you some supper.
Well, Grandpa's not looking so good these days.
Grandpa's dead.
I know, he looks like he's barely hanging on.
I think he is dead.
What is Leatherface doing? What is this? Is he alive?
I don't think he is. Like suck her blood or something? No, what the heck? Is he a freaking vampire?
That is so creepy!
He is like a vampire. Oh my god!
Okay, that I was not expected.
Okay.
You wake now? You look at
Leatherface
Leatherface.
is scary.
Oh, so scary.
I know, look at
This is terrifying.
Yeah, this is creepy on a whole different level.
I just can't take no pleasure in killing.
Just some things you gotta do. Don't mean you have to like it.
Oh god.
True that, true that.
Oh god.
Okay, her voice is starting to get a little annoying.
Oh. What is happening?
Right? Okay, I don't... We get it, she's freaked out. We don't need to do this for like 2 minutes.
I know, look at him. I love it.
Oh, he's coming back.
Torturing him.
Hey, Grandpa! We're gonna let you have this one!
Okay, these shots.
The scene.
It kind of ruins the freaky factor. What is going on?
She's gonna hate it.
Oh,
Grandpa can't even hold it. What the fuck?
this is so weird.
I don't know what they're trying to do. Grandpa's like, I don't want to.
Grandpa just needs to be killed. Like he looks rough.
See what happened?
Run through another window. Yes,
Yes,
morning time.
2 for 2.
Run.
Go. Wait, nobody's right behind her.
I think he gets arrested, actually. Yeah, see? Oh, what is she trying to do? Oh, run him over.
Yes.
Oh, that was...
No surviving that one.
Whoa! Back it up and do it again. I want to see that.
You have to go through the open window.
He's like, hold on, let me mark it first.
Why is she getting out of the car? Why are they getting out of the car? That was bad. That was really bad.
Oh, it's
He's
so
fine.
graphic.
She just like lost her mind. She's like laughing.
See, he just dances in the road.
What the heck? The sunset. He's literally dancing.
Wow.
What the heck?
He missed his call in as ballerina, I think. So, yeah. I don't know.
That was interesting.
It was interesting.
Yeah.
It was creepy on a whole different level than what I've ever seen before.
Yeah. It was very
Yeah.
creepy. It was weird.
Almost realistic because of, the lack of like the scary music and there wasn't jump scares, but Leatherface just came out when you didn't expect him to.
Yeah, like I said, definitely in the woods. I almost lost my wine. So.
Yeah. Like, boom, there I am.
But I don't know. I personally think the remake was better.
Yeah,
I
I
think
think
so
so
too.
too.
I think so
And
too.
that's saying something.
But at the same time, you got it because it was in the 70s.
True.
Yeah, I
So
think that
true.
freaked some people out in the 70s.
It was creepy. It was very creepy.
It was. Like the whole, dance with the chainsaw.
Oh, that was weird.
In the sunset, in the road. That was
Yeah.
pretty good.
The only thing I really didn't like was just like the dinner scene and just like
Yeah, that was
kept
weird.
going towards her face.
The in and out, the zoomings in.
Yeah, but it was like so long. It was like, okay, we get it. Like she's freaked out. Obviously, anybody would be freaked out. It was just very long for that. I think they could have just cut that down a little bit and just went straight to like trying to have Grandpa there in the head.
Yeah, if they just cut her out of the zoom in and zoom out and then just focus more on the just insanity
of the other
dinner
ones.
scene.
Yeah.
Just the dinner
Yeah.
scene. Because, again, they portrayed it as so normal. Like, you're just sitting down for dinner. There's no scary music. There's no jump scares. It's bright. It's not dark. It's like if you ate dinner here, right?
like the whole like Grandpa like sucking her blood out of her finger. Like that was weird.
I know, because I don't know. Was he? I feel like he was barely alive.
Yeah, right. Like
that whole thing's a
all through the
mystery.
dinner, every time they showed Grandpa, it was like he was like,
Yeah, just slowly dying.
Yeah.
like at one point it was like just his head above the table.
Maybe he just wanted that one less kill, and then he could have went peacefully. I don't
Check
know.
on Grandpa.
Yeah, I don't know.
And they just forgot about the two people that went to the gully.
Yeah, I guess that other girl's still stuck in the freezer.
Guess so.
Well, that's true. But what about the guy?
I guess I thought he actually got hit in the head and fell,
Yeah, I
but
did
then it
too.
looked like
He got
Leatherface was
away.
acting like he escaped.
Well, yeah.
All right, so any final thoughts?
No.
Nope. Just prepare for the sequel at some point. I think before that, though, we are going to do that movie, Don't Breathe, that I talked about. So that will be our next one.
That'll be fun.
And then we're going to do the sequel to this. So.
Oh.
All right. So until next time, guys. Bye.
Bye.